Hey everyone! Welcome back to Beginner's Guide for Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install PyCharm and Python on your Windows computer. If you're new to coding or just getting started with Python, this is the perfect place to begin. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to install Python. Open your web browser and head over to python.org. Once you're there, click on the Downloads tab at the top of the page. The site should automatically detect your operating system. So go ahead and click on Download Python for Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Before you click Install, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This is very important. Then, click Install Now. The installation will take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see a Setup Successful message. Now Python is installed on your system. Next, we're going to install PyCharm, which is a popular integrated development environment or IDE for Python. Go back to your web browser and visit jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Click on the Download button at the top right. You'll see two versions, Professional and Community. The Community version is free and perfect for beginners, so go ahead and click Download under the Community section. After the download completes, open the installer. Follow the setup wizard and click Next until you reach the installation options. Here, make sure to check the boxes for Create Desktop Shortcut and Add PyCharm to Path. This will make it easier to access PyCharm later. Then, click Install and wait for the process to finish. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the installation wizard. Then click PyCharm and open the program. On the first run, you'll be prompted to customize PyCharm. You can choose the default settings or customize them according to your preferences. Click New Project and click Create. After that, PyCharm will open up, and you're ready to start coding in Python. To run your program, go to top, click the Run icon. And there you have it. Python and PyCharm are now installed on your Windows computer. You're all set to begin your coding journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.